It's almost time for Cinco de Mayo, and I'm going to make some damn tacos. Let's get started with the pulled pork. You'll need a Boston butt pork shoulder. We're going to do this in the slow cooker. Trim any excess fat if necessary. This will make about 10 tacos plus some leftovers. Get some olive oil into a bowl and pour in a mixture of chili powder, cumin, dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir it all together until combined. I'll link to the full recipe down below. Now just rub it all over your butt. When you've had enough squeezing of the tuchus, get it into a slow cooker. Sauté pan, medium heat, pour in some canola oil. Add in a diced yellow onion and a diced hot pepper, hot as you like. I use Fresno chilies. They're about the same as a jalapeno, but they're more photogenic. If you're red-green colorblind, it won't matter. Stir and cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes or until it goes nice and soft. After that time, add in a few sliced or minced cloves of garlic and cook for about 1 more minute. Take all of this and pour it over your prepared pork roast in your slow cooker. Pour in the juice of 2 oranges and the juice of 1 lime. Cover it up and cook with confidence on low for about 6 to 8 hours. While you wait, click that like button for me. YouTube will offer my videos to more people, and I appreciate your help growing my channel. Thank you. This is a perfect time to make a tequila cocktail that's not a margarita. This is called a paloma. Rocks glass, salted rim, and some rocks. Pour in 1.5 ounces of shite clear tequila, that's silver or blanco tequila. You don't want the expensive stuff for this. 1 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, which is just equal parts water and sugar heated together, and then top the whole thing off with fizzy water. Give it a stir and garnish with a lime. Now we have plenty of time to make a sour cream drizzle. Get a container of sour cream into a bowl and stir in a couple of tablespoons of milk. Just kind of eyeball it until you get a pourable or spoonable consistency. When the pork is done, get in there and shred it up with 2 forks. Sauté pan over medium heat. Put your tortillas in and heat them up just for a few seconds on each side until they go warm and pliable. Set aside and keep them in one of these tortilla warmer thingies. I'll link to all of the equipment and stuff in this video in the description box down below. Now this is a step you don't want to skip. Get some of your pulled pork into a sauté pan over medium heat. Spoon in a little of the braising liquid. Stir and cook for just a few minutes or until the pork goes nice and crispy. Alright, it's time to eat. Get a tortilla and spread over a thin layer of guacamole. You can make your own or just get some from the deli at the store like I did. Spoon in some of your pork. Sprinkle on some diced red onion. Drizzle with your sour cream sauce. And garnish with some fresh chopped cilantro or parsley if cilantro tastes like soap to you. Grab a taco, get a tequila drink, and party with your pants off. If you'd like another great recipe, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.